So today I'm going to show you how to withdraw your money from Qube Money. Now we're currently here on the homepage of the app. Once you load up, you're going to see the little cube with the arrow pointing out as the home page when you open up your account. If you're not already on this, go ahead and click here. And from this section, you should see how much you currently have in Qube Money. You can see in this example, we have $10. Now, one of the things as well when it comes to transferring your money out is making sure that everything is going to be in one Qube total. So that way it's a little bit easier to transfer because as you can see, we have $10, but it is broken up into different cubes here. So first and foremost, we actually want to go ahead and combine these into one overall cube. Because we're just going to withdraw all the money from our account, it doesn't really matter which cube we personally choose, but we're going to go ahead and add these pieces together first and foremost. So the way we're going to go ahead and do that is actually going to be very similar to going through the transfer process. But first and foremost, what we want to do is go up here towards the very top. We have three different icons. We want to choose the middle one that has the arrows kind of going in a circle with the $sign in there. Let's click on this. And from here, we have our move money, which we will be back here in just a moment to go ahead and withdraw from here at the very bottom. But before we do that, we're going to go ahead and click on internal transfer first so we can go ahead and move this money. Now you can see here we have these two different ones and it says move money to, and we're going to go ahead and choose shopping here just as our example. Now that's going to take us to the internal transfer page here, and it's going to ask us where we want to transfer money from. So we're going to click in this open section and we can see we have $5 in streaming, for example. We're going to click on this and we're going to say we want to have this money go into our shopping, and it's going to ask how much we want to have transferred. And since we have exactly $5, we're going to go ahead and fill that in right over here. And then of course, we're going to have the date as soon as possible here for us. And then we're going to go ahead and click on continue if everything here looks right. And then this is just a verification. So we're going to click on submit. And then just right there in real time, we saw that $5 get moved over from the streaming all into the shopping. And so now what we want to do is go ahead and click over here on the top right hand side corner, that same icon with the arrows pointing in a circle and the $sign in the middle. And that's going to take us back to the move money section. And like we kind of showed earlier, we're going to go here towards the bottom in the out section to go ahead and transfer to a bank. Technically, you can also transfer this to a friend if you needed to. But for our example, we're going to go to the bank. So we're going to click on this, and that's going to go ahead and take us to the select a bank account section, which right now we currently have one account here that is verified that we can send to. If you do not already have a bank account on file, or this is not the one you want to send to, just go ahead and click right over here that says link another bank account. It'll take you through a couple of steps using Plaid as a means to instantly connect. Just takes a couple of minutes. So you just got to log into your account to go ahead and add it in here. Now, once the account you want to send to is highlighted, we can go ahead and click on the continue button here at the bottom. Now from here, it's going to ask you where you want to move money from. So we can go ahead and click on select a cube. And from here, we're going to go ahead and choose the shopping cube that we have that $10 in. Again, if you have money in different cubes, go through the first section to go ahead and put it all together into one to make this just a little bit simpler. So we're going to click on shopping here. So you can see that $10 here and then where we want to move it to. Now it's going to ask us the total amount we want to send out. And we're going to put in that $10. And then it's going to ask us the date. We're just going to leave it as is. And then if we need to repeat, which with this example, we do not. And then when we scroll down here at the bottom, you can go ahead and leave a note if you needed to. But for us, we're just going to go ahead and click on continue, which is highlighted here in blue. And then here is going to be a quick overview, making sure you are pulling the money from the accounts and cubes you want to pull from and where you want to move that money outside of Qube Money. So once everything here looks good, just keeping in mind how long it's going to take for that transfer to go through, you can click on the word submit here in blue. And then right over here, you're going to see this confirmation that your bank transfer has been submitted and that it is going to be sent to that bank account on file. So now that we showed you how to withdraw your money from Qube Money, there are more things to show you when it comes to using your financial apps, and we got you covered. Check out our next video right over here on screen to keep on learning.